Hi guys, I'm Zimi and today we have Easy Biology. So, we're talking about cells, eukaryotic cells, prokaryotic cells, what are they? You're gonna find out. Welcome to Easy Biology. Today, as I said before, our topic is cells. As you know, all the living organisms consist of cells. There are two types of cells: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are cells that appeared long time before eukaryotic cells, approximately 3.5 billion years ago. That's why their structure is fairly simple. For example, they don't have a nucleus and separate organelles. Organelles for cells are like organs for human body. The representatives of prokaryotic cells are bacteria mostly. Eukaryotic cells appeared long time after prokaryotic cells. Scientists still don't have any precise answer, but it's somewhere in between 1.7 and 2.2 billion years ago. Due to that fact, eukaryotic cells have more complex structure compared to prokaryotic cells, and most of the living organisms people are familiar with are made from eukaryotic cells. For example, animals, plants, humans. So, in order to understand the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, it is better to discuss them through the comparison. First of all, the size of prokaryotic cells differs from the size of eukaryotic cells. Normally, prokaryotic cells are smaller than 5 nanometers, whereas eukaryotic cells are larger than 2 nanometers, and sometimes can get several centimeters big. Secondly, prokaryotic cells are always unicellular, though they are able to create colonies. Colony itself is like a family. Whereas eukaryotic cells are usually multicellular, what means that they bind with each other, creating tissues like nervous tissue. However, there are still some species that belong to eukaryotes, but they are unicellular. For example, amoeba. The third thing to mention is that prokaryotes don't have a nucleus, and their short DNA is floating in a cell. As well as mentioned before, prokaryotic cells don't have separate organelles due to the absence of the membranes inside cells. In eukaryotic cells, the nucleus is present and all the long DNA strands are assembled to fit into it. Other organelles are present too, as there are inside cell membranes in cytoplasm that separate organelles from each other to carry their functions normally. The fourth point is division. Prokaryotic cells divide by the process called binary fusion that basically consists of DNA replication, movement to the poles, lengthening of the cells, and finishing with separation. Two-dotted cells are complete clones of the mother cell. In eukaryotic cells, there is a more complex process of division called mitosis that we will touch on later, as it is highly complex to describe in 2 sentences. There is a little tip I wanted to share with you so you can remember the names better. I found that connection between pro and pre that you can see on your screen. Basically, pro sounds quite like pre, and as we know, pre is a prefix that means before. Now we know that prokaryotes appeared before eukaryotes, so that is a connection that could help you to remember. That was the first episode of Easy Bio. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. See you next time!